हेलो एवरीवन, आपका स्वागत है आरब टेक में। आज हम पढ़ेंगे मेक सेंटेंसेस। लेट स्टार्ट। एजुकेशन। एजुकेशन इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ। एजुकेशन इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ। नॉलेज। Did you have any knowledge? Did you have any knowledge? Proper. Write the word in proper order. Write the word in proper order. Curious. I am curious to know about her life. I am curious to know about her life. Enough. I had enough time. I had enough time. Expect. We expect it to rain tomorrow. We expect it to rain tomorrow. Quick. She took a quick shower. She took quick shower. Born. She was born in a hospital. She was born in a hospital. Rude. He was so rude to me. She was so rude to me. Whenever. You may leave whenever you wish. You may leave whenever you wish. Much. My mother does not eat much food. My mother does not eat much food. Naughty. My brother is very naughty. My brother is very naughty. Enough. I had enough food. I had enough food. Excellent. She has done an excellent job. She has done an excellent job. Subject. Math is difficult subject. Math is difficult subject. Another. There is another place they can go. There is another place they can go. Realize. She realized he mistake. She realized he mistake. Proud. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Hurry. There is no need to hurry. There is no need to hurry. Glad. I am so glad to see you. I am so glad to see you. Star. The sun is also a star. The sun is also a star. Air. Air is very important for us. Air is very important for us. Weather. Weather changes every day. Weather changes every day. Moon. The moon moves around the earth. The moon moves around the earth. Bright. The sun is bright and hot. The sun is bright and hot. Earth. Earth is beautiful planet. Earth is beautiful planet. Forest. Many animals live in forest. Many animals live in forest. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. Class. I study in class 6th. I study in class 6th. Large. He has large box. He has a large box. Basket. This basket is empty. This basket is empty. Help. How do they help? How do they help? Dish. I like this dish. I like this dish. Star. The sun is also a star. The sun is also a star. Rise. The sun is rising in the east. The sun is rising in the east. Country. My country is India. My country is India. Look. She looks tired. She looks tired. Sun. The sun is very hot. The sun is very hot. Go. I go to school. I go to school. Play. Geeta plays cricket in the field. Geeta plays cricket in the field. Noise. The boys make a noise. There. The boys make a noise there. Car. I go to school by car. I go to school by car. Cricket. Cricket is an outdoor games. Cricket is an outdoor games. Beautiful. Millie is a beautiful girl. Millie is a beautiful girl. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.